Guys, I want to apologize for where this video was recorded, but I tried this product. I had to share it with you, so here we go. I want to show it to you. Here's the review coming up. What's up, guys? It's Logan coming back to you. I know it's been a while since we did a video. I've been busy doing a lot of stuff personally, but I promise we'll be back doing a lot of filming on this channel soon. I'm going to bring another product review back to you today. Today we are going to be reviewing a metal cleaner. Chemical Guys heavy metal polish, chrome, stainless steel, aluminum. I'm gonna say that this stuff is pretty good on about any kind of metal that I've seen. You know, if your trailer's like mine, you'll have heavy oxidation on your diamond plate and your trailer in general. Your metal parts and pieces, your railings, your steering wheel, everything. Well, today I want to show a few odd and ends areas where I've tried this stuff and show you how easy it is to apply and how easy it is to use. Promise to give you a short, quick video here. Nothing long. I just want to show you another product that I have tried and worked. I'm not going to waste your time showing you reviews of products that are junk, because if I don't believe in it, I'm not going to tell you guys to use it. So without further ado, here we go. Chemical Guys heavy metal polish. This brand, Chemical Guys, absolutely great. If you hadn't tried them, I promise you, you will not regret it. A little bit more expensive than your normal products, but there's a reason why, and let me show you. So, I'm using a Ryobi buffer here. For some reason you need the model number. There it is. It's just a little $20, $30 buffer I got at Home Depot. As you can see, I've been trying it out. Here's what my plating looks like right now without. And as you can see, there's the line with. That's one application. Look at that shine. I'll back up a little bit so you guys can see right there, and then I'll show you. All right, so I'm gonna try to do this with one hand here so that everybody can see it. So I'll give it a little shake, pop it open, and I've just been putting a little few spots like this, and that's it. That's all it takes. All right, so we will place this here, and I'll try to do this real time for you, one-handed. As I'm doing it, you'll see the product is turning black. This says it's good for gold or silver, so imagine it's just like any metal polish buffer. Just do it real slow, medium pressure, with a heavy abrasive pad. Imagine even a good wool pad, which I'm going to try shortly, will work good. Very minimal pressure here. Just you can see I'm barely even trying it. Just letting the product do the work along with the tool. Let's check it out with that little bit. Look at that pad. Holy cow. Alright, so let me get my rags here. You can see the inside of my rag, and let's go to wiping the product off. Look at that difference already. See that luster and shine? We're going to do one more application on it, a second, and then we'll stand back and see the result. And I want to just show you, you can see the line there, how dull and shiny. Look at the shine on that. And as you saw in my demonstration video, that took all of 3 minutes to do that much with the buffer right there. Look at that difference. Amazing shine. Look at the shine on that. I wasn't even sure that was supposed to be shiny. I did not buy this boat new. I bought it used. And I had no idea that that was supposed to look like that. This will work on your trailer. If I do the whole trailer, it will make the whole trailer shine. I've tried a spot on my truck here, as you can see right here on the corner. And I did that with a hand pad, all elbow grease there, as well as a little spot right there trying to get a stain off. As I said, guys, I'm gonna make this video short, sweet. Almost don't even need to talk during it. The product is the star of the show. If you got a chance, try out these Chemical Guys. Chemical Guys products, probably the best I've tried of any brand out there. It will work with your rod holders, your stainless steel cup holders, tie down, seat backs, T-top, anything metal, steering wheel, I don't care what it is. If it's dead, you can bring it back to life with this product. Give it a try, Chemical Guys.